Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change color of text cursor indicator on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change color of text cursor indicator on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings. Now click on Easy of Access. Here in left pane you will find text cursor. Click on text cursor. Now first of all turn on text cursor indicator, and then you will find here suggested text cursor indicator color. By default purple is selected. I am going to change the color to turquoise. Look, the text cursor indicator color has been changed. Now I am going to check. Look, the text cursor indicator color has been changed. Now I am going to change the color again to gold and going to check. Look, the text cursor indicator color has been changed to gold. This is the easiest way to change text cursor indicator color on Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.